So, you're dreaming of a new mattress, but the thought of your credit score turning it into a nightmare is keeping you up at night. You've seen the commercials for special financing at Mattress Firm, but what does it actually take to get approved? Well, forget what you think you know. You probably don't need a perfect 700-plus score to get that new bed. We dug through real user data to find the surprisingly low score you might need for the Mattress Firm credit card. Plus, we're pulling back the curtain on those no credit needed offers. The main financing option at Mattress Firm is their credit card, which is issued by Synchrony Bank. Officially, Synchrony doesn't list a minimum score, as they look at a variety of factors. However, data from users shows that while the average approval is for people with scores around 698, many others report getting approved with scores in the low 600s. Since Synchrony is often more lenient with retail cards, you could have a decent shot even with a fair credit score. But what if your score is a bit lower than that? Mattress Firm heavily advertises a no credit needed option, which is a lease-to-own program from companies like Progressive Leasing. Just be aware, this isn't a loan. It's a rental agreement that often costs more than the cash price in the long run and might not help build your credit history. So, what's the bottom line? If your credit score is in the 620 and up range, you're in a pretty good spot to apply for the Synchrony credit card. Better yet, you can check if you pre-qualify on the Mattress Firm website without it affecting your credit score. Now, if you get approved, here's the biggest catch you need to watch out for: deferred interest. That 0% APR sounds amazing, but those offers, which can range from 6 months all the way up to 72 months depending on the purchase, come with a major string attached. If you don't pay off every single penny of the balance before the promotional period ends, you'll get hit with all the interest from the day you made the purchase. And that interest is steep, with the purchase APR for new accounts being 34.99%. So, if you have fair to good credit, you've got a solid chance at getting finance for your new bed. For everyone else, the lease-to-own path is available, but just make sure you read all the fine print. Instead of guessing, take action where it really matters. This is your chance to check your real credit score, the one lenders actually use, and carefully review your credit report for any costly errors. The best part is you can access all of this for almost free for 7 days. The link to get started is waiting for you in the video description.